Hello there, my name is Zack Kouns, and I'm crouching next to Plantago major, or Broadleaf Plantain, which is one of the most ubiquitous medicinal and edible plants on this planet. Today we're going to use it to make a Lithuanian exotic fermented drink that involves sprouting the seeds and using the sprouted seeds to make a pungent healing tonic drink. So plantain has ovate leaves that are arranged in a rosette at the level of the base. It sends up a seed spike in late spring that persists through summer. Its habitat began in Europe but has spread worldwide. Basically, you'll find it anywhere the sun touches the ground. All of the aerial parts of the plant are medicinal, but since we're confining ourselves to the seed for this particular experiment, the seed has qualities that can make it excellent for healthy bowel movements by providing bulk and soluble fiber called psyllium. It also contains quite a lot of gelatinous mucilage that you can use as a substitute for linseed oil. So today I'm going to teach you how to make a relatively new fermented drink. It's called Rejuvelac, and it is essentially the process of first sprouting a seed and then submerging it in water so that a sour tonic emerges. So I'm going to let this sit for about 24 hours. Then I'm going to dump the water, cover it again, and immediately dump it. I'm going to do that for a day or two until the first little sprout begins to appear. You'll see just a tiny little tail will come out of the seed. That's when I know that it's time to go ahead and do the final step, which is more or less the exact same as this one. I'm going to cover again with water and let it sit for 24 hours. And in that 24-hour period, it's going to become sour and bubbly and alive, and I'm going to have a sprouted plantain seed drink at the end of it. Thank you for spending some time with us today. Hope you've learned something. If you've learned something, I would ask that you don't keep it to yourself. Share it with your neighbor, share it with your friend, share it with your coworker, share it with your partner, and most importantly, share it with your children. Thank you.